We'll guide you through how to download and install Minecraft on your PC and laptop. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Minecraft is a super fun game, and in this video we're covering both Minecraft Java and Bedrock. So first of all, we need to go and open up a web browser. So come to Google or whatever search engine you want and go and search for Minecraft like so. And you need to come to minecraft.net. Now come to the top of the site, and where it says games, go and hover your cursor over it, click on it. Make sure Minecraft is selected on the left and then click on Minecraft. You can then scroll down the page like so until you see platforms and features. On the left here, you should go and see Windows/Mac/Linux, and you need to go and click on Buy Now. Minecraft is a paid game, so we do need to go and buy it before we can download and install it. You can see there are two versions here. There's the Deluxe and just Minecraft. Personally, I just get the Minecraft version, but if you want those additions, you can go and get it. So select it and click on checkout. Now what we can do is go and sign in with a Microsoft account, as Microsoft own Minecraft. If you don't have one, you can create one, it's fine, click there. You can sign in if you have an account, or if you don't, click on create one. So go and follow through the process and go and purchase Minecraft. I already own Minecraft, and hopefully you should now. Then all you need to do is go to the top, click on games, and go to the bottom left of this section and click on go to downloads. And what we can do is click on download launcher for Windows 10/11. The launcher will download. And what you need to do is go and open up your file explorer. Go to downloads on the left, and here is the Minecraft installer. Go and double click on it, and you should go and get this pop-up. What you need to do is make sure you're logged into the Windows Store if you aren't already. So you can click there and just go and sign in with the same Microsoft account that you just purchased Minecraft with, which I'll go and do. After you've done that, you can close off the store, make sure you read and accept the agreement there. I already have and I do, so I'll press install. All you need to do is go and wait. It's going to do everything it needs to, and then we can press let's go. Now the Minecraft updater will open, and shortly the launcher will. You may already get signed into the launcher. If you aren't, just go and click on Microsoft Login, and you can then go and sign in with your account. And from the launcher, you can go and click on Java or Minecraft for Windows on the left, and we can then go and get playing. It probably will need to go and do some more downloads, but that's it. You've now downloaded and installed Minecraft. If you found this useful, then leave a like.